Porto is a city with a lot of attractive elements, from port wine to their beautiful azulejo tiles. There are so many things that the tourists could choose to gaze upon. Based on the theory tourists gaze, I've suggested two gazes that the tourists could experience in Porto. First, Porto is being portrayed as a city of Harry Potter because of its close connection with J.K. Rowling. While you are in the city, you may find there is places that have influenced Rowling's creation. For example, people always compare the staircase in Lalo Bookstore with the grand staircase in Hogwarts.
Harry Potter because the author of Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, I think she was inspired for Harry Potter books here in this store.
Another Harry Potter hotspot in Porto is the Majestic Cafe. Fans regard the cafe as the birthplace of Harry Potter because Rowling wrote the first two chapters here. There are a lot more places that are significant to Harry Potter fans. Every year, lots of Harry Potter fans would choose to go on a media pilgrimage to Porto. Tourist gaze in Porto is not only limited by Harry Potter. Being one of the oldest Western cities, Porto also famed for its heritage. Porto was classified as a World Heritage Site in 1996. When the media is portraying Porto as a glamorous city, tourists can experience another kind of gaze in the old city, Ribeira. According to Uri and Larsen, there is distinction between authentic history and heritage. This means that heritage these days are always being seen as a commercial product for tourism. Heritage tourism is selected and framed by the government and tourism industry. While some of the heritage are well conserved in Ribeira, there are other parts of the city are always being neglected. For example, next to the Dom Luis Bridge, the area is left with trash and ruins. Apart from the famous attractions, most of the beautiful buildings in Porto are abandoned and are under maintenance. The imperfect part of the city reflects the presence of Porto, the residents' struggle, and their history. What the tourists see on media is latter, while the imperfect part of the city are rarely portrayed. However, this experience always allows tourists to truly gaze the city authentically.